Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I have a large for me Maniology order because their plates are $7 each. There's a couple other pricier items that I picked up. I placed two separate orders, so I waited for both of them to get here to share this haul with you. So we're just going to jump right in. So with my orders, I got a couple stickers. One of the boring items that I picked up, but I'd been wanting one for a while, is the Maniology glass cuticle remover. This was $8 and I was going to buy one off Amazon for $14, and I am so glad that I held off on that and just picked the Maniology one up. And I did pick up several of the regular plates, and then I did pick up a few of the 2021 Halloween launches. The first plate up is this beautiful bee plate. I absolutely love bees, love bee manicures. There's a lot of cute images here, so stay tuned for lots of manis coming. These plates I'm also super excited for. I do not own any layering plates up until this point, so I picked up this fall one, and mostly I picked this one up for the layering the words. There is I love the pumpkin and the leaves. Same thing for this particular plate. It is another layering plate. I love the layering pumpkins, the deer, how adorable. All these plates are so beautiful. I did pick up the Stranger Things and Alice in Wonderland plate. There is a lot of Stranger Things images, the Demogorgon, the Mind Flayer, and just Stranger Things in general. I also love Alice in Wonderland, but this plate is mostly Stranger Things, and I love me some Stranger Things. Another Halloween themed plate is this Freak Show Circus plate. I love many things about this. There is scary clowns, there is the come with me, and I love this Freak Show ransom lettery looking image there, and all the words. I love plates that have imagery with the words. I get Silent Hill vibes from this. Silent Hill 3 to be exact. This particular plate is also a plate you can regularly get. There's a lot of awesome images here as well. The main reason for picking this up is mostly the top row up here, and I absolutely love zombies. I love The Walking Dead. I love zombies as far back as I can remember seeing the very first zombie film I ever saw, which was Night of the Living Dead. They're coming for you, Barbara. I got the zombie plate. It also has some Jason and Freddy in there. I love that it has the 1, 2, Freddy's coming for you. I love that. There's Frankenstein on here as well. There is bloody handprints. There is, I love graveyard nails. I literally cannot get enough graveyard nails. So there's an all new graveyard tombstone-y kind of scene, and I love that as well. I love that there's a Scream here because I also love Scream. I will probably do a new Ghostface manicure as well. And I love that it says Flesh Eater. There's Bloodthirsty. There's so many things I love about this plate. Moving into the new items that Maniology had. I do think this was overpriced, if I'm being honest, but I did get one of their chrome powders, Superstition. Also, if you're wondering about my nails, I'm wearing ILMP's nail polish in Legacy, and it is an olive green holographic polish with a red shift in it, and this is an orange, black, green, chromey effect powder, and it just looks absolutely stunning on the nails. It comes with an applicator and powder, and I do think this is overpriced. You don't get a lot of product for the price that you pay for these, but the color is so stunning. I do also want to add that I paid the same price for 8 of these powders on Amazon is I did pay for one of the Maniology ones. Amazon definitely is the way to go with the chrome powders, but this is just stunning. Halloween 2021 plate launch. I did pick up 4 of those. This one here, there is images taken from other plate launches that Maniology's done. I still picked this up because I like the life after death, all the bats. I love the skull down here as well, and just also vampires in general. I love it, and I love the little Old English lettering up there as well, so I definitely cannot wait to use this. Year they also launched a letter plate, and this is technically really, this and the other one I just showed, the only plates that I have that have lettering like this on them, and I just love the tombstone letters and the cute little monsters. I do love the cobweb letters. I love everything about this plate, but I bought it for the tombstone letters. I did pick up another freak show circus-y kind of plate. I love this. There is so much going on in this plate. I even love the old abandoned looking amusement park stuff. Once again, Silent Hill 3 holds a very special place in my heart, so that all this reminds me of Silent Hill 3. There is an amusement park, and it's Lakeside Amusement Park in that game. Funhouse clown there. I cannot get enough of these plates. The last and final plate that I have to share is the retro Halloween plate, and this just screamed 90s Halloween memories for me, and I just absolutely love it. I had to have it for the scarecrow, another thing that I absolutely love, horror related and fall related in general, scarecrows. I love the amount of the images that you can fill in on this plate and do reverse stamping, the haunted house, just the pin-up girl on the pumpkin, just so beautifully done these plates are this year. Thank you guys so much for watching. There will be lots of manicures coming your way, so stay tuned. Let me know of any manicures you're looking forward to. Give me some ideas down below as well. Check the description box for additional links. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Thank you so very much for watching.